Hi everyone, Anthony here. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add tag and category clouds to your WordPress learning log. This is the tag and the category cloud right here. So how do you do that? Well, first of all, you want to go to the dashboard. Okay, from the dashboard, you can then go down to Appearance and Widgets. Okay, now you can see here on the primary sidebar, I already have the tag cloud and the category cloud existing. I'm going to go ahead and delete that just to show you how to add one. So now I'll have only the tag cloud. You can scroll down and go to the category cloud in a list and just simply grab it and drop it. Okay, you can also change some of the different things here, some of the options. So I'm going to change it to just 200 maximum font percentage, for example. Okay, in the category cloud, it will show the categories that are used more frequently as relatively larger than other categories that have been used less frequently. Okay, and the tag cloud operates the same way. You can also find the tag cloud down here, drag it and drop it into the list. Okay, so once you have your cloud and tag categories, what you can do is then add a new post. Okay, add new post here on the left. And you can see you have the option to add categories and tags on the right. So you'll give your post a name. So for example, new post 1. Give it some text and select your categories. So you can select from the drop down list of categories, which you've already added. I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, select those. You can also add a tag, so we'll say course 501. Maybe we'll add another one that says safety or something, if I made something related to safety. Okay, so we've added 2 tags there, one for course 501 and one about safety. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and press publish. When you create your third blog post, you'll get this short job aid. You can go ahead and close that. Okay, and as you can see here, we have our categories that we selected and our tags that we added. Okay, I want to just go ahead and show you one more thing. Up here on the top right, you can see the option to add a new post this way as well, rather than going through the dashboard. So let's go ahead and do that. I want to show you a problem that I've discovered in WordPress, and I can't figure out what's going on and why it's not working. So let's say we add a new post 2. Give it some text. Now you can notice there's a little bit different of an interface here. So tags and categories. Okay, drop it. Okay, categories looks a little bit different, but we can go ahead and select the categories we want. And here under tags, we can do the same thing, adding a tag this way, but there's also a drop down menu with tags that we've created. So let's go ahead and add 501 and 502 and 503 to it. So you can see they all show up here. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and publish to our, just want to check something, publish to our learning log example. Once you're done, yeah, you just published. Great, let's view it. So here's our ACT standard, our categories, but notice the tags are missing. I'm not sure what's going on here and why it's doing that. So we can go ahead and add them this way, going to the dashboard, go to posts, or rather all posts. Okay, there's our new post 2 that we just added. Notice the tags are missing, so let's edit it. And notice we're seeing our this different interface here. So let's go ahead and add 501 now this way. We'll add another one, test, just to show you that it will show up this way. Okay, we have our 2 tags, and we'll update it here. Okay, now if we want to go ahead and view our learning log, okay, as you can see, let's go to that test one. The tag is there. So there you see it. There's our new post 2a, and we have our categories and our tags that we added manually. So that drop down list seems to be having a problem. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard again. And I want to show you one more thing. When we go to posts, posts, we can go to categories and tags. This is where we can add our drop down menu of different categories. So you can select them here, all your different categories. Okay, These were preloaded for you in the template. Okay, you can also add a new category here by giving it a name, selecting where you want it to have it show up, and then giving it a description and pressing add new category. So this is how you can add a new category. Presumably with tags you can do the same thing. However, as we've seen already, this doesn't seem to be working so well. So I'm not sure what's going on. It could be something that I'm missing. If anyone else can figure it out, great, let me know, because I want to know what's going on as well. Okay everyone, so this is how you can add tags and categories to your posts.